Did you know that nearly 75% of people don't drink enough water daily? Staying hydrated is crucial for your energy, focus, and overall health. Here are some easy tips to keep your hydration game strong. Tip 1. Set a goal. Start by setting a daily water goal. Aim for at least 8 glasses or follow the half your body weight in ounces rule. Tracking your intake with an app can help. Tip 2. Infuse your water. Bored of plain water? Add some lemon, cucumber, berries, or mint for a refreshing twist. This makes drinking water more enjoyable and adds extra nutrients. Tip 3. Use a reusable water bottle. Carry a reusable water bottle with you at all times. A visible bottle is a constant reminder to sip throughout the day. Tip 4. Eat hydrating foods. Did you know that some foods are packed with water? Watermelon, cucumbers, oranges, and celery help keep you hydrated while providing essential vitamins. Tip 5. Create hydration habits. Make drinking water a habit. Drink a glass when you wake up, before meals, and before bed. Little changes make a big difference. Hydration is simple but powerful. Try these tips and feel the difference. Stay refreshed, stay healthy, and keep your inner glow shining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.